Hey foodies, so I am online and I am going to be starting something new with this channel where I'm going to be talking about how I run my plus size in Chicago business, the online business, things that I have learned over the years. And I'm hoping that maybe it's something that will spark some interest for you. In case it's something that you've been wanting to do and you want to start out and you want to know, like, how do you even get involved with this type of thing, like content creation? So I have started plus size in Chicago like back in 2017. There are tons of things that I have been learning with this business, and I'm gonna let you know I don't know everything. So what I will be talking about in these various videos on this channel is like how I got started, what I have learned, what I am continuing to learn, and I'm just going to be sharing that all with you. So again, I am not a guru, but it may be some things that I have learned in this business that may be helpful for you in your content creation. Okay, so this plus size in Chicago channel, say that like 5 times. This plus size in Chicago channel is for foodies. Okay, so on my channel, I am cooking, I am checking out different restaurants, and I am also like traveling with the hubby and family. And while I am visiting different cities, I am definitely going to be checking out the restaurants in the area. Okay, so that's what this channel plus size in Chicago is about. Also, I do sell like product. I do sell t-shirts. So I have an Etsy channel. I also have my website where I do share the different designs that I have created, and it's available for purchase. Okay, so that's kind of like an extra income source for my business. Okay, so just going to be talking about like the things that I've learned, the things that I have been getting involved with, even like dealing with like different brands. They may contact me and say, hey, I got this new product. Can you feature it in your videos? Or, hey, I just opened up this new restaurant. Can you come and check it out and do a review for me? And I'm going to be talking about like how that happens and how you can do something like that for your own foodie account too, especially if you are on social media. Okay. So yeah, so that's what these videos are going to be about. I'm going to be starting a playlist inside of this plus size in Chicago YouTube channel. So I will be like posting in the community section. If there are questions that you have, I am encouraging you to write in what your question is, put it in the comments, and whatever those questions are, I will feature them inside of these videos. Okay, so any question that you have, I'm gonna, add a post at the beginning of the week, and whatever that topic is, you add whatever your questions are, and then I'm going to be featuring those in the videos. Okay, so let's get ready. Make sure you are following. If you know some other foodies or some other online businesses that are content creators and are trying to get into this business too, make sure that you share this video with them. Ask them to subscribe. Y'all make sure y'all are subscribing so you can get that notification. And we are going to be on this learning experience together. I'll see you guys soon.